Okay, so I'm now leaving from a parallel parked space at the side of the road. So I get in my car, I put my seat belt on, everything is already set, and now I turn the ignition to start the car. Okay, I place my right foot on the brake pedal. I get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selector to drive, signal left, check the rear view mirror, check my left outside mirror, and then my shoulder check or blind spot over my left shoulder. And if it's safe, I drive off in a straight line, but I've got a puddle in front, so I drift away from it onto the traveled portion of the roadway. Okay. We're just gonna go driving and of course obeying the rules of the road and road signs, just so you don't take anything for granted when you're driving. It doesn't matter if you're in your own neighborhood, which of course I'm in my own neighborhood, but I have to follow the rules. Now it's a stop sign ahead and I'm making a right turn, so I signal right, check the rear view mirror and the shoulder, then I get over to the right and have the wheels turned to the right. They call this hugging the curb. Complete stop, then check to the left, and then we go. Hand over hand steering, recover. There's a stop sign ahead, and at that stop sign I'll be making a right turn. So just about here, I put the right signal on, check the rear view mirror and over my right shoulder. No white line or sidewalk, so I go right out to the edge of the road and stop completely. Then check to the left and it's safe, so I continue. And recover. Cross street, check to the left. Now this is a sharp turn. Hand over hand steering. And at the stop sign ahead, it's a left turn. Signal left. Is there a white line? Yes, there is. Behind it, complete stop. Check. Nobody. Go. Hand over hand steering. At the stop sign, it's a left turn. Oh, I should have my signal on. I forgot to put it on. But anyway, I'm making a left turn. Hand over hand steering. And ahead there's another stop sign, and I'll be doing a left turn. And what do we have here? We've got a white line. So I stop with the bumper just behind that white line and make sure the signal is on. Check left, right, but I can't see clearly to the right, so I inch up and keep checking. Now it's safe to the left and the right, so I go. Now I'm gonna make a left into this parking lot, and what I intend to do here is back into a parking space on the right. Now I'm pretending that we're on the driving test and you're back at the test center, and the examiner says, okay, back the car in on the right beside this vehicle. So the signal goes on to the right, and because I need to get into this parking space, I keep going straight onto the back bumper of my car is in the middle of this parking space. Right there. Place the gear selector to reverse, get all my turns into the right, and check around. Just keep backing. I'm checking like crazy. Then straighten the wheel and continue backing. Now that car is not parked properly. He's parked way over, so that's why I seem to be way over. And also this one beside me, they're parked like they're taking up 2 parking spaces. So anyway, I'm straight. And now I'll apply the parking brake, gear select to park, turn the ignition off, and now I can go about my business. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.